Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys can leave a comment down below, even better, really helps the channel out. It is Tuesday morning, bright and early. I'm a little exhausted today, guys. We're back in the shop. Today we got the 2016 Ford Fiesta in that we've been kind of acquiring parts for. So we finally pretty much have all the parts. We are awaiting a couple more parts, but we have enough to get started for the day. So today we are gonna get the front end torn down, do any straightening to the frame rails that we have to, and we're gonna get the new core support installed on this vehicle. Now you can see I have a little stockpile of parts here. We have the replacement core support, we have a wheel liner. Under here we have a bumper rebar, two brand new headlights, we have a grill insert, we have two SRS front impact sensors, we have a driver seat belt retractor, we also have a driver's knee bolster airbag, but it did come and it was the wrong color, so we are going to return it and make sure we get the right color. So we do need a black interior color airbag. So this is the knee bolster airbag here. So this is the only one of the airbags that did deploy. So this unit needs to be replaced, as well as the impact sensors and the seat belt retractors. When you get in an accident and you're wearing a seat belt, the computer has a little combustion chamber on the retractor, and it basically explodes and it tightens up your seat belt. So there are companies that you can send these off to and they can rebuild them and reset them, but I usually just replace them. So anyways, basically it needs a new hood, and when a hood gets hit, the point that takes all the impact is the hood hinges. So hood hinges are shot. You can see it's pretty tight here. So we got new hood hinges on the way. Unfortunately, we don't have them yet, so we got two hood hinges on the way. We have a brand new hood already. We have new core support. We're gonna be replacing the headlights. We have oil dipstick. Luckily, our radiator and stuff seems to be intact. Our hood latch seems to be intact. We're still awaiting the new front bumper, but if today we can get everything torn apart and the new core support installed, it would also be nice if we got the passenger side fender installed. So there's not much wrong with this fender. It is bent a little bit on this end, as well as it is all shoved back and it's a little tight on the door. So there you have it. We have busted grills. So yeah, lots of little pieces, little bits and pieces, and it adds up, guys. It's not a cheap fix. So yesterday I had some time, so I went ahead and cut in the hood. And I also cut in the fender. So cutting in just means we're painting the part that you can't see once it's installed on the vehicle. So that way when you open the door or pop the hood, it's painted all the way nice. So we'll be refinishing the face as well, but we do that all at once when we're painting the rest of the vehicle. So we paint just enough to install the parts on the car. Now I went ahead and painted out this entire underhood and clear coated the entire underhood, so it looks really, really, really nice, as you can see. And if you look at this one, it actually is painted decent, which is pretty rare. It doesn't seem to be a lot of clear coat on this one, but this heat shield was just kind of like taped on there. So, and it's just kind of, it's kind of taking its toll, guys, and I don't think it's just shot. So you can see somebody's put some duct tape and stuff, and we're not going to be reinstalling that. So this heat shield will remain on the hood. We are not even going to be reinstalling that on our new hood. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave it bare underneath there. It doesn't get hot or anything, so I'm not too worried about it. So anyways, that's why I went ahead and refinished this entire underhood and made it look really nice, because we are going to go ahead and leave that heat shield off. So yeah, Mikey comes in today. he is going to go ahead and get this thing torn apart. We've already talked about it, and get the core support installed, and hopefully we don't find any more damage. If we do, hopefully it's nothing expensive. Otherwise we'll have to do a supplemental estimate and get some more money out of the insurance company. So cross your fingers we don't have to do that, because it's a pain in the butt. So there you have it. We're gonna be refinishing the hood, bumper, fender, and we're gonna go ahead and blend the passenger side door. Also yesterday, we finally got in the 2021 Ford Transit. This is a vehicle owned by Clearwater Systems. It's a company, delivers water. And they got hit on the side, and before they wrap and put their company logo on the vehicle, they want to go ahead and get this damage fixed. So we have, unfortunately, the wheel liner got broken. So we have a brand new wheel liner from Ford there. So I used a slide hammer and I pulled this out yesterday. I still got a little work to do right here, but I went ahead and grinded the paint off. I went ahead and pulled, used a stud welder, and I pulled out the dents here. I went ahead and used the stud welder and pulled out the dents that were here. They were about pretty large dents right on the body line. Steel does have a memory, so it did pull out and pretty much go right back into place where it needed to go. And after that, the metal was pretty stretched, so I went ahead and used a torch and a wet towel and some cool water, and I did some heat shrinking in about 3 spots, here, here, and here, and it tightened up the metal. So this is just the first fill. I'm just gonna rough this in real quick, and then if I have some time later, if not, we won't be getting back to this till tomorrow. But by tomorrow, we'll be roughing this in. We'll get another smear on it, and we should be able to get it pretty much blocked out with just a couple coats of filler, and we'll get some high build primer on this as well. I also have a little bit of a chip right here. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that chipped paint. That way when we finish this, we'll go ahead and paint this lower section, as well as blend this out and re-clear coat this panel. So there you have it, guys. Nothing too crazy today. We probably won't touch this. We got Mikey coming in. He's gonna be working on the 2016 Ford Fiesta, and I'm gonna be working on his Integra GSR, trying to finish out the detail. I do believe that the right-hand drive Turbo Civic is done at Glass. So at some point today, I'm hoping that we can get on over there and pick it up, but we do have a busy day. I was hoping to have customer vehicles back yesterday, but today we have this parked in here. So this is gonna go out, and we actually have that 2010 Chevy Silverado coming back for nothing bad. Well, we do have an exhaust leak, so we're gonna fix that up. But while it's in here, he went ahead and got a new bumper cover, I believe. And I believe all the brackets and all that too. So I'm not sure, I didn't even get a chance to ask him if it was an OEM bumper or if he's going aftermarket. So it could possibly be an aftermarket bumper, but I'm not quite sure on that. So we have that coming in. And the Mustang is still here. He decided to go ahead and proceed forward with repairing the clutch and replacing it. So we're gonna drop the transmission probably tomorrow and get the clutch changed out, as well as we're gonna pull the front suspension back out, pull the coils off, and replace the front struts, as well as install 2 new rear shocks. So not a bad thing at all. That's business. So a couple good jobs there. So that pretty much takes care of the day and a little bit of tomorrow. So we won't get back to the 2021 Ford Transit until tomorrow. I hope to have this core support changed out today, and it'll look like a car again. So the goal right now too is probably finish that up next week. That's just gonna get repaired this week. We're still awaiting a couple more parts, so we're just trying to take care of the most of it, so it is ready to prep and paint next week, and we'll go from there. So let's see here. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I do have a couple parts I finally got for the Del Sol, our 93 to 95 Del Sol SI and 92 to 95 Civic EX and SI under hood decal. So pretty pumped on that. We also have an original Honda made in Japan decal for the core support of the Del Sol as well. So pretty pumped on these decals, guys. It's gonna really make the job come out clean. So anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys watching the channel. Means everything to me. I'm hoping to show more DIYs and how-tos and all that good stuff here shortly. Lots more good fun stuff to come this summer and spring when we're doing out doing cruises and runs and meets and car shows and all that good stuff. We'll be doing a lot of vlogging, and like I said, this channel's for you guys, so I'm hoping you guys can learn something from it. I'm kind of giving you guys an inside look at collision repair. So please ask any question you want in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them as far as equipment and tools I use, supplies that I use, all that good stuff. So anyways, like this video, leave a comment down below if you can. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.